From the First Alert Weather Center, meteorologist Jonathan Condor with your severe storm timeline for tonight. It's a level 2 risk. This could get an upgrade. This is mostly for damaging winds and a tornado risk. Damaging winds 70 to 80 miles an hour, tornado risk. The hail shouldn't be that big, 1 inch at best, okay? So let's get specific here about each threat. Here's the zone for damaging winds. It says Monday, but technically it's for tonight, so that's 10 p.m. all the way through about 6 a.m. on Tuesday. We're going to go, that zone in orange is 70 to 80 mile per hour gusts. The tornado index, we do this on a scale 1 to 10, and we'll go a 2 and a 4. So basically we're going to have very fast moving embedded circulations on a line of severe storms, okay? Damaging winds with a tornado risk. That tornado risk includes OKC. Hail sizes, again, we're going to go widespread quarters. There may be isolated ping pong, but this is mostly, again, a wind and tornado risk. Starting 10 p.m. to midnight, northwestern Oklahoma, storms line out. There they are, midnight to 2, coming through OKC about 2 a.m., east of I-35 after 4, then eastern Oklahoma about 4 to 6 a.m. Again, here's predictor. There's that line of storms coming in. I want the metro ready by 2. Ready by 2. Moving through 2 to 4, advancing to the east, lining out. That's why we have higher chances of storms in eastern Oklahoma. There may be some showers Tuesday afternoon on the backside. Those would not be severe, but get ready. Big time winds are going to hit us. We already have a wind advisory, high wind watch, and then high wind warnings. Where you get the high wind watch and warnings, that's for gusts up to about 60 miles an hour. This is going to be basically Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, okay? So big winds are coming with this big storm system. What do you got to do? Come pay us a visit. Got a bunch of chances for you, but I want you to check in with Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane 4, 5, 6, 10 p.m. He'll have your updated tornado index, timeline, and you'll get a sneak peek of that 5+5 day forecast.